like it. You are citizens of a heavenly kingdom. Act like it.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room, and you're listening to what I call the Preacher Man. Um, Dr. Stare used to be on this station all the time. He died, and now they have other people, preachers, on this station. Very, very strong signal. And the reason why is I'm using my K-480WLA amplifier loop antenna from GOOZEEZOO. And the testing I've done today, this is my go-to antenna now. I have it outside of my Radio Shack. It's only about 10 feet in the air. I ran out of mast that I could handle. I can't pick up and move big mast anymore, so I have to use fiberglass. So I scrounged this up and I got it 10 feet in the air, or maybe not even 10 feet. So I've ordered some more fiberglass mask and see if I can get it up some more. Get it up, I want to get it up at least 12 feet, 15 feet. The other thing that I noticed, and maybe it's just coincidental, is lately on shortwave, the background noise has been atrocious. And so this waterfall down here has been like solid. Now you can see there's not much noise. And the noise level was way down here at minus 112. So that helps a lot. Now I can adjust the RF gain on the amplifier tuner that comes with this antenna. I got it at max right now. So I can turn it down. I'm turning it down. You can see the signal go down. So the signal itself, right about there, is very good. And the noise level is way down there. I mean, it's down to minus 31. So not only does it pull in and amplify the signals, it knocks out the noise. So like I say, this is going to be my go-to setup. That is this antenna tuner and loop antenna and my SDR RSP DX radio hooked up in my workshop, uh, workshop slash radio room slash laundry room. No longer a garage. Never was a garage. It was too small for a garage. So we can now come down here and use the scan option. I want to turn the amplifier all the way up. There we go. Gain on the amplifier is all the way up. And then I'm going to have it, I'm going to turn the mute off.
Deep in their spirit about the mansion.
And let it search. Whoop. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't search because it still thinks I've selected this band mode. Now the reason, and you can see it is turned on. And the reason I do that is because when you select one of these bands, it sets all the other parameters for using that band. And then I can clear it, and it doesn't want to clear. Why won't clear? Oh, there we go. I got it cleared now. Now I have no restriction on my scan, theoretically. So here we go. Let's unmute it.
Out of that tune.
And we'll scan.
Put my hand.
Okay, it's scanning now. There's WWV on 5 megahertz. Very clear, loud. It didn't stay there. There's a station. Now this says, let me stop, pause, this says, let me mute. This says Radio Prague. That's what it's in the database over here. I don't think that's correct. Let me look it up. Right here. So I'm at 5010. So I'm going to look up 5010 because that sounds pretty close, strong. 5010. Let's just see what that really is. And what it's showing is, oh, yeah, that's probably WRMI out of Okeechobee, Florida. So that would be strong. Okay. Where are we at? Back here. We'll resume the scan. That's noise. I probably should move the squelch up some so it doesn't stop on these little spikes down here. So let me move that up. Oh, let's go to minus 78. That's good. So it's going to catch the strong signals. So we'll start scanning again. Okay. Well, there's data. Well, let me stop there. I haven't heard that data signal in a long time. 5340. Let me see if that shows up in the database. 5340. 5340 now, and it does not show anything. So let's try, because it's data, so it may not be in its database. This is only for stations. Well, could be. It still could be. Yeah, there's nothing there under a voice station. So let's go back, get away from that data signal. It's coming in clear. We'll unmute. Really clear. Whoa, that's strong. I haven't heard that in a long time.
And when he did that,
Here's Preacher Man.
the glory of the invisible God, or the presence of a superhuman being, or in the presence of the Almighty God.
That's not Radio Prague.
And from an olive tree in Greece.
Preacher Man again. Boy, they're all over the band.
Everyone St. John, suffering a martyr's death, accompanied
So
by
look at all these clean signals that are coming through. That says China radio. Yeah. Let me stop so we don't lose it. I'll look it up. I think it's China radio. 6050. And click that. Oh, come on. That's not right. Did I say that right? Oh, what's going on? Oh, my computer's overwhelmed. Okay. That could be South America, Africa, or China. Let's come down here. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, that's Spanish. Let me mute. That's Spanish, so that's probably this one here, right here. So that's probably what that is. I'm up here, of course. So that's probably what that is. Okay, do some more scanning. This antenna combination with my RDS DX is working great. Let's go to scan. And I'm only up to 6.3. That's some kind of data, maybe? A bunch of these signals are just very intermittent. Whoa. We don't want to listen to that. Look at that. I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, it should continue to. Oh, get away from that noise. I don't know what that is. Okay, next. Yeah, missed those two. More noise. Data. I just missed these two. We get a lot of data signals. Yeah, my squelch is just a tiny bit too high. We'll let that fine tune. There we go.
Eternal or temporary? Yeah, know those things. We'll talk about it. I think you'll have fun with this. We'll enjoy it.
Let me look that up. Oh, that's a very familiar frequency, but I can't remember it. Okay, let's look it up. Okay. Oh, turn that. Mute that. Mute. Okay, now we're on 9. Oh, I moved it, or let it move. It scanned on me. I didn't hit pause. Okay, it was 9330. Okay, 9330. 9330. Look that up. 9330. Okay, and that is in Monticello. That's what I was trying to remember. Yes, WBCQ Monticello. Okay, we're going to just scan for a few more minutes and then we'll wrap it up. I know you're getting bored just watching this thing scan. Scan. Got to go up to 10 megahertz. Yeah, there it is. That was the
November 15th, 2021.
Yeah.
We'll be broadcasting a test signal on minute 8 of each hour on WWV and minute 48 on WWVH. This signal has been created to assist in ionospheric research and is a joint effort of the ham radio citizen science investigation and NIST. The signal consists of various tones, chirps, and noise bursts. The signal will be broadcast for several weeks.
So that's the female voice, and normally in the past, the female voice was being transmitted from the station in Hawaii. Now maybe that's not true on this transmission because it is loud and clear. Let me turn it back on. Oh yeah, that's the strongest I've been able to receive WWV in months. I mean, we're talking 6 months. Okay, I think that's enough band scanning. I really am pleased with this GOOZEEZOO K-480WLA loop antenna with the preamplifier tuner. The tuner allows you to select which band you want to listen to. I'll just show you for instance. So now it's on the shortwave band, and if I push the button, it will go to FM. Consequently, all the signals are gone because I'm not tuned to an FM frequency. Airband, again, all gone. 6 meter, a little bit there. That's 50 megahertz. UHF, VHF, nothing there, of course. And then back to the mode called all bands. And let's see how that differs from HF. Software. That's the software. That's software band. I mean shortwave software band. That's twice I've called it software band. And then that's medium wave back to shortwave. There's all band. So that's all band, which is supposed to cover all bands from medium wave to VHF, is what it's on right now. That's shortwave. I don't see any difference. So I could leave it on all band and it would work fine apparently. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.